Omniacs, I've been doing a video for you every night this week. The last two nights' video titles were The Omni Says No More Short Selling. The next video title for last night's video for trading on Wednesday was The Omni is bullish the stock market. It stopped going down and literally went up. So fantastic analysis, great Omni arrows this week so far. And let's see what it looks like for trading on Thursday. If you ask me, I think we get more of the same. You've got to buy the dips. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Let me show you another chart. So here's your E-mini S&P. We literally did a video and put out charts to show you right down here. It is time to stop selling. And then here, it is time to start buying. We fell in love with the market again. We are day traders, don't forget that. So that's your E-mini S&P, and that's why the name of the last two video titles last night's was The Omni Has Turned Bullish on the Stock Market. And the title before that was No More Short Selling. Beautiful timing. Now let's go look and see what NASDAQ is doing. I believe that's here. NASDAQ has a green Omni. When we put out that turnaround, those two turnaround videos, it was right on the money. Boom. NASDAQ's doing really well. And it looks like we will be buyers of dips once again. Traders, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night is for trading on Thursday. That would be January 16th, 2025. Please remember, trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without putting in your protective stops. Now, there is one thing for you analysts out there. If you cannot see it with the naked eye, there is some form of resistance happening right here. Right across all of these highs, maybe some resistance. So maybe the NASDAQ rallies up a bit, has plenty of breathing room tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens once it gets there. But it's not there now, so it's kind of free to go, and we'll see what it wants to do. We do have a green Omni for trading on Thursday. So you've seen S&P, looks really good, had that great turnaround right where the videos instructed us to turn around. Same thing with NASDAQ. Admittingly, we missed our fill in S&P. You know what? Let's just go back there for 1 minute. We had orders in to buy S&P right here, right here, right here. And S&P dropped. It opened up and it dropped. Got right about to our buy orders and exploded for $100. So the video call was fantastic. The Omni arrow was right on the money. Getting in, we missed it by 2 ticks, and it went up without us. But that was Wednesday. We got tonight, baby. We'll catch this bad boy. So you've seen S&P, you've seen NASDAQ. Please subscribe to these videos if you like what you see. And please log in at livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. I spend my whole life in that trading room. I'm there right now as I'm filming this video for you. If the camera's not on, that does not mean I'm not there. I'm always there answering questions. You'll always see me in that room. It is so simple to get there. You would just go to livewithoscar.com, fill out the OmniCamp application, fill out the Live with Oscar application. It asks you for like 3 simple questions. No credit cards at all. You'll receive an email. If it goes to spam, please check spam, shoot the email back, and you can join me in this live trading room. We run this 24 hours a day. You can always find me there. So please join me. Now, we're not done. You've seen S&P. You've seen NASDAQ. Now let's go look at one more. Let's go here. Traders all over the world have been asking me about Bitcoin lately. Oscar, what about Bitcoin? All right, well, here we are. Let me show it to you. So as you know, we've given out some fantastic Bitcoin targets over the last few years. The most recent was the 85,000. Never been there before. No one ever dreamed it would get there. Nailed our 85 target. Bravo for analysis. Then Bitcoin proceeded to hit the next 2 targets, 106, 109. And then I proceeded to offer another target, a 4th target, 121, 450. Now, Bitcoin, let's look at this chart for a moment. It is doing a fantastic job around this average. Just fantastic job around this average. And then it takes off from the average, starts to hold it again right there, gets under it for a while, pops above, gets back under, pops above. Here we are. But what I like the most is not only is it starting to have friendly times with this average again, but look at this hold right here. Look at this nice hold along this support line. Look at the hold here at the average. Starts here, holds at the average, holds again here. Now we're above the average. Omni likes Bitcoin for trading on Thursday. So I think it looks pretty good if you ask me, especially with this nice hold right here. Question for you. I would love for you to please leave your answers below. Please leave an answer below to this question. Now that Bitcoin is above this average, last time it didn't really stay. It only stayed for a day, turned around and left. Now that it is above the average, will it get above this resistance mark right here? Will Bitcoin get above this mark and move forward and start moving towards my Omni target of 121,450? What will happen here? Please leave me your answers below. You Omniacs that have been following me over the years are getting so much better with your answers. You're really starting to give me answers where that is the end result. So please leave your answers below. Will we get above this resistance and keep moving? Or will it fail once again and start heading back down? Please leave your answers below. I will tally them up. We'll speak about them in the next video. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. We love you guys. Please join me at livewithoscar.com. Subscribe, like, and share these videos around. It would really help the algorithms on YouTube. We'd really appreciate that. And then remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, we say this to ourselves over and over again because, believe me, it will help you. You know this exercise by now. If you haven't heard it, listen up. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Remember that. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Please leave your answers about Bitcoin below. Like and share these videos. Join me at livewithoscar.com. And I will see you all there. Have a great day. Come join me at the site.